How's it going, everybody? Jeremy here with Accudraft Paint Boost, and today we're on location in Fayetteville, North Carolina for Caliber Collision's Changing Lanes. This is one of two locations that they have, and what Changing Lanes is a program that Caliber came up with to help with military personnel that are getting out of the service and transitioning into civilian life. What it does is it is founded and put together to help teach some of the military personnel about the auto body industry and give them the groundwork that they're going to need to have a career in the industry. So we're going to take you inside, show you around, show you what they got. All right, guys, so here at the Changing Lanes program, we've got one of the instructors here. This is Everett. He was in the military himself. I want you to hear it directly from him, just some of the advantages, what he sees being in the military and being out and just being able to help some of the personnel here. I want you to hear from him some of the advantages he sees.
Yeah, I'm Everett Rittenauer. I'm the Phase 1 instructor here at the Changing Lanes Academy, and I did almost 9 years in the military and medically retired, and even getting out with a medical retirement, that transition into the civilian world was still scary, and just the unknown. And my entire adult life being in the military, it was all I knew, and now having to, become a functioning member of society again was scary, and not knowing how that was going to work. And if this program would have existed when I retired, just being able to get out and not only getting a set of skills taught to me, but getting the tools provided for me in order to do that job, and then before graduation having the shop that I was going to work at and knowing that information, it would have made that transition a lot easier, and it would have taken a lot of stress out of it.